Imagine being able to make money online simply by reading. In this video, I'll show and teach you how to make $200 to $1,000 only by simply reading words. First and foremost, today's approaches are completely free and effective all over the world. Second, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started on the process, including all the necessary information and a step-by-step strategy so you can start earning immediately. After watching this video, you'll also see exactly how much money you can make and how simple it is. And you'll be sorry if you close this video and miss out on this opportunity. Before we go to this video, welcome to Money Methods, where we will teach you the most recent ideas, hints, and techniques for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, before I demonstrate the method in detail, I'd want you to look at this because it will indicate the amount of money you can make by reading alone. I'm quite happy about this chance since it will provide you so much money by reading only. I'll explain in detail how it functions, and you may use it without prior experience, technical expertise, or certificates. So eyes over here. $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes, and we just calculated that on the higher end. We'll need an hour and 45 minutes and we'll continuously make $1,000 on the minimal fix. So if we split $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, you'll be able to make $22 per minute for an hour, which is $1,000. Now imagine working for 1 hour and earning $1,000. How could it affect your life? What could you do with that money? It's definitely a lot of money. I'll show you how to do it, but you must watch the entire video because I'll show you a few tactics how to join up, get accepted, and make more money even if you spend the least amount of time. This is crucial, so please pay close attention. Since many individuals make mistakes and hence they lose money, and I don't want you to experience it. So first and foremost, I'd like you to go to voices.com. You'll notice that they've been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Sesco, and the Los Angeles Times. Once you get to this page, there are a lot of huge brands and companies that are undoubtedly legit, so they are gonna pay out to people every day. You'll get all the payments through PayPal, a check, or a direct deposit into your bank account. Furthermore, there are several alternatives available. Additionally, it functions in other nations. These websites will provide you with a variety of assignments across several categories. I'll also demonstrate which ones will earn you the most money. Moreover, you may select from a range of projects and I'll explain how they appear. So once you've chosen your preferred project, they'll provide you the script, the templates, the book, and all of the words that you'll read word for word. You should record your voice and then they'll pay you based on the length of the project. You may do it for 20 minutes or an hour, whatever it is, because these platforms have endless works. There are a lot of websites out there where you can do some jumps, but they are not consistent, so you could not be making any money today because your other job is definitely limited. However, on voices.com, there are so many categories and jobs that you can choose from. Even if you only have 5 minutes a day or only have 15 or 30 minutes, you can still choose a variety of options. You can do it and earn all of these money right away. By reading the second question I received was, what if I don't have a microphone? Great news! Because basically all you need is a basic earphone. You can use your iPhone, your Android phone. You can record using your voice by speaking on your phone only. You don't have to show your face or your identity. They are going to utilize your voice on the ebook, audiobook, TV, and videos. They want to hire people like you and me to read all of these books and scraps out loud. We don't have to write anything. All we have to do now is read all of the books and scripts that they offer us with. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved this video thus far, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We definitely love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Let's return to the website and I'll show you how to sign up, as well as how to get accepted and verified. and how to find the projects that will pay you the most money. Also, how to apply for different jobs and get paid soon after watching this video. So first and foremost, I want you to hover your mouse over the sign up button in the top right hand corner of the page. Once you click on this, you'll see two options right here. Find work as a talent and hire talent for your projects. In this case, we're going to find work as a talent to read out those words. We'll choose the second option and provide our name, email address, phone number, and the username. You can add whatever you want here. All you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions and click the continue button, or you can just use your Google account if you sign up for a free account. Your dashboard will show you a variety of jobs. For example, e-learning, explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games can all be accessed after you logged in. There are numerous categories to choose from, so right now I'm going to show you which categories have the most occupations, which are extremely suited for any beginners and which are working in various countries such as United States, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines. They came from all over the world to work on this project. Now the first category you should choose is audiobooks. The second category, explainer videos, will pay you the second most amount of money. Third category is video games, will pay you the third most amount of money. So I'm going to concentrate on audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games because they are the top 3 categories with the most employment and the greatest money for the least amount of time invested. So for example, we're going to select audiobooks, which will open a new page with some instances of people working online from all over the world who are generating money at voices.com, and they're both men and women from various nations. Right now you can see the language section. You can also see that they accept people who want to read online from all over the world, including the United Kingdom, North America, and India. They still want to hire you, so no matter where you are, they have jobs for you. They even have jobs in English, Africa, and South Africa. You can start reading online on voices.com by reading those scripts and getting paid based on the hours that you work. If you want to make money, we'll choose a job that lasts at least 45 minutes so that you get paid $1,000 every time you complete one project. So I'm going to show you some of the work options that are accessible. Once you log in, as you can see here, there are a lot of occupations that you can participate in. So let me scroll down. They'll keep refreshing this page every day so you can keep signing in and seeing which one you prefer. Like I've already said, audiobooks are the voice.com category with the most visitors. Upon completion of these novels, all of the scripts and templates will be provided to you. You only need to read them and record with your phone at this point, and you'll receive $1,000 in payment. They'll reveal the customer to you, what age they are, no matter what gender they are, explain some of the tasks, and anticipate you performing at work. They will provide you the script for free, and all you have to do is read it out and you'll be paid for it. So if you want to download their apps from Google Play Store or App Store for your iPhone, this is what it looks like. They'll provide you with a script to use. When recording your phone, you have the option of recording your voice. You could read them aloud if you want. That's how it manages to make everything definitely so simple. Both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store have this app accessible. Starting with voices.com is an excellent idea. This is how the logo should look like, and you can download it for free. Additionally, you may go to work on it right immediately. They'll display the client agreements to you, in addition to some of the responsibilities from which you can select. As demonstrated, regardless of where you are in the globe, you have a wide range of employment options. And that's it for today. If you love similar content like this, have a look at some of our videos. If you like it, don't forget to smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!